What's up, guys? So I'm just on a walk with my mate Jayden right now. Say hi to the camera.
Hi.
And yeah, I'm just taking Max for a walk. Max is just here, just off to the chemist to pick up some tablets. Yeah, should be a good walk. Check back in a minute. So after this, we're gonna go do some skateboarding on my longboard. Yeah, should be good as well. You'll see that in a minute. Should be good. Hey.
My mum went past.
Did your mum go? So we're just having some fish and chips because we're a bit hungry. Pretty good, nice treat in town. Stopped off. Okay, so we've had our fish and chips now. Pretty full. Were the chips good, Jayden?
Yep.
Yeah, pretty good. Leyburn Fish and Chip Shop, run by the Leathleys. Shout out to them. Now we're taking the dog back. And then we're gonna get the skateboards and do a bit of skateboarding. Cool. Can I zoom in? Run! Run! Come on, run! That was good. On today's latest news, there is a dog called Max who's disappeared. Can't see him anywhere. Max! Max! Max, where are you? Oh, here he is, here he is. Hey, found him. No. Awesome. Where's Jayden gone? I don't know where Jayden's gone. Oh, there he is. Woo! Let you do the talking. I don't know. Oh, I'm aching a bit because I went to the gym yesterday. Try and do a no come fly. Rubbish.
Oh wait, I'll do funny action when the band goes.
Okay. It's filming now. Yeah.
Right, thanks for watching and like and subscribe for more videos and then we'll see you tomorrow.
Tomorrow, okay. Okay, we'll see you tomorrow. You heard that from Jayden, the man. Alright, see you guys later. Ooh, oh, do it again. Boom. Boom. Right, peace guys.
See you.
See you guys later.